Well, you asked for it. Have you ever wanted to drive a concrete truck? This is a concrete mixer. It mixes and delivers concrete. This is a cement tanker. Each one can haul 50,000 pounds of cement. Concrete mixer, cement tanker. There is a difference. Let's go back to the quarry where the concrete plant is. We're in Frankfort, Kentucky. You've already seen how we get rock out of the ground. Now I want to show you how we make concrete. So what is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of water, sand, coarse aggregate, typically limestone or gravel, and cement, the glue that holds concrete together. What is cement? Cement is the ingredient in concrete that, when mixed with water, experiences a chemical reaction called hydration. This chemical reaction creates calcium silicate hydrate, which is what gives concrete its strength. How do I figure out how much concrete I need? Let's do some math. Say you have a box that you want to fill with concrete. It's 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. It's a given that 1 cubic yard is equal to 27 cubic feet, and a box that is perfectly square on all sides is called a cube. The equation for volume is length times width times height. So for this cube, we multiply 3 feet times 3 feet times 3 feet. That equals 27 cubic feet. Or, that's right, 1 cubic yard. How do we make concrete? Our different aggregates are dumped into these large ground bins. The aggregates, sand, limestone, and gravel, travel up this long conveyor belt into our overhead bins. Our dispatcher gets an order for concrete from a customer. She sends the mix information and concrete quantity to the batch plant operator. He verifies the load information and tells his batch computer to start the load. Chemicals called admixtures start to weigh up in bottles like these. Concrete produced for your driveway has different chemicals in it than concrete in your garage, or concrete for an elevated slab. Cement begins to weigh up in a scale above where the concrete truck pulls under. At the same time, the computer starts weighing up rock and sand in a huge scale. The concrete truck is under the plant ready to be loaded. The computer puts in water and admixtures first, and then starts the rock, sand, and cement. All of it is loaded in the hopper at the top of the truck. Now that he's loaded, the driver checks to see if the concrete is right. So let's put this puppy in drive and go for a ride. Whoa, this is a bumpy road. These concrete mixers are 6-wheel drive, so let's go off-road. Concrete mixers have a joystick that lets you move the chutes. Pull to the left, they go left. If you pull back, the chutes go up. If you push it forward, they go down. And right goes right. If you look in the mirror, you can see the drum turning. If I press this red button, the drum stops turning. Air horn! There are a lot of gauges and other controls in here too. I'm gonna put this chute on and we can pour some concrete. The inside of the drum is shaped like a screw. When it turns clockwise, it mixes the concrete. When the drum turns counterclockwise, concrete pours out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe and God bless you.